Hello everybody, this is May. Thank you for joining me. Today I'll be walking you through the process of how I create succulent arrangements using cuttings. I thought that this would be a fun Earth Day project that you'd be able to present as a gift to your mother, mother-in-law, or even someone who's been like a mother to you for Mother's Day, which is right around the corner. I think it's a sweet and thoughtful gift that continues to grow throughout the years. Here's a list of the things you'll need. You'll need a pot with a drainage hole, a landscape fabric piece large enough to cover the drainage hole, some well-draining soil, succulent cuttings that have calloused over, and lastly a chopstick. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is to grab your pot and your landscape fabric. Next, place the landscape fabric directly over the drainage hole. This prevents the soil from washing away, and it also prevents the soil from plugging up the drainage hole. Next, it's time to get a little dirty. Go ahead and fill up your pot with some soil, making sure that your landscape fabric stays in place. Fill it all the way to the top. In fact, you'll want it brimming with soil so that you can compact the soil slightly while creating a mound. You can also add additional soil if you need to. Next comes the fun part. It's time to get creative. Think of your bed of soil as a blank canvas. I like to create balance and harmony between the colors, shapes, textures, and height of my succulents. Everybody has their own unique approach in creating succulent arrangements. I like to start in the center, choosing the succulent that I like to be the focal point of my arrangement. Grab your chopstick and poke a hole in the soil, inserting your first cutting. Repeat this process, making your way around the pot. You can add taller succulents in the back to add height to your arrangement. You can use your chopstick to prop up any leaves that may get damaged when inserting other succulents. I love adding rosette type succulents to the front of my arrangements. Add lots of vibrant colors to make your succulent arrangement pop. Fill in any bare spots by adding additional succulent cuttings. Again, try your best not to damage any surrounding succulents when inserting your new cuttings. It may happen. It's a learning curve. And remember, if any leaves do break off, save them. You can use those for propagation. Keep filling in those bare spots. You can use your chopstick to work the soil surrounding your cuttings to make sure they're secure. You can make any minor adjustments if you feel it necessary to pretty up your arrangement. Congratulations, you are all done. Step back, take a look, enjoy your beautiful succulent arrangement. Yes, you did do that. You did a great job. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy Earth Day, and have a wonderful Mother's Day. See you next time.